Hi there people, this is John Foster here, and this is my first attempt at a drone. This is the FTX Skyflash. I've only just about bound this, and well, let's see how I get on. So I'm going to try and take off from my table here, and then lift off and move around. So speed. Ooh, whoops. Well, we lift off. Let's put it back on again. I think there's a speed selector on here somewhere. I'm just going to press that speed selector. Yeah, this is going to take a little bit of a while to get used to, I think. Swoopsy daisy. Let's try again. Let's try again. Let's try again. Let's have a little look. It's quite tough actually as well. So let's try again. So we're going to try. Just see. Let's try to. Try to get it to a hover mode. Oh, oopsie daisy. It's going to take a little while to get used to. And yeah, as you can see, he's having a little bit of a nose here. Having a look to see what's going on. See what he can do. He says, not sure if I like this, that one. Let's turn it around the right way. Let's turn it around the right way around. Let's see what happens. There we go. Oh, don't know if he's gonna. Having a quick look. Curiosity. Yeah. I don't think I'll start it off now, poor little thing. Let's have a look. Let's see if I can start it off now, see if he's away. Yeah. Okay, let's try. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. There we go, try the hover. Ooh, whoopsie daisy. Anyway, so it kind of works, but I think John needs a bit more practice. Oh, the guard's come off, so I'm just going to put that guard back on.